Hi there. Our story today is titled Splash. The author is Beverly Danny, and the illustrator is Bernard Adnet. Our essential question this week is, where do different animals make their homes? In this story, we're going to be reading about a girl and some frogs. As you read, take note of where these frogs make their home. Also, we'll be seeing some number words as we count through this book. Let's begin. I'm going to point under the words as I read them. Ready, set. I see one frog. I see one frog. I see two frogs. 1, 2. I see 3 frogs. 1, 2, 3. I see 4 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Splash. I see no frogs. Why doesn't the little girl see any more frogs? Yes, because they all jumped into the water and made a splash. My friends, our target skill this week is cause and effect. This book is about a girl who sees 4 frogs. Why is Splash the name of the book? Our right about it is, think about an animal that likes to swim in a pond or river. Write a story about the animal. Thank you for reading along with me today, my friends.